we have given a blood and sweat for this country, but despite that, our nationality is being checked. Kashmiri students have become a soft target. My family has been the victim of violence. My sister suffered bullets. Still, I am being accused that you are a bloody Pakistani. How come? अनफॉर्चुनेट पार्ट यह है कि मीडिया का इस पूरे प्रोसेस में रोल हो जाता है। कश्मीर तो दूर की बात, हिंदुस्तान के लोगों को, पर्टिकुलरली जो माइनॉरिटीज को, उनको मीडिया, मेन स्ट्रीम मीडिया पे जो है भरोसा ही उतर गया।
What do you have to say to the Hindu Rashtra Dal who have incited people and threatened the Kashmiri students and to other fringe elements who do the same?
आप हमें अपना एड्रेस दीजिए, हम आपकी टिकट्स बुक करेंगे।
On April 23rd, 4 Islamist terrorists killed 26 people in Kashmir's Pahalgam. 2 days later, while the country was still mourning, multiple cases of attacks on Kashmiri students came to light. The Kashmiris were assaulted while being labeled as terrorists. But why did this happen? To answer this why and a few other questions, we have with us today the national convener of Jammu and Kashmir Students Association, Nasir Khuhami. This is what he had to say.
Kashmir from across party lines, across political lines, from South Kashmir to Northern Kashmir to Jammu to Riyasi to Chenab Valley. People from different walks of life condemned this incident in harshest of words. Not only this, we staged a demonstration from Kashmir to Delhi, and we said that whosoever did it, we condemned it in harshest of words, and whosoever killed unarmed civilians, they have not killed only individuals but killed whole humanity. But unfortunately, there has been a retaliation in different parts of country vis-a-vis Kashmiri students, though there has been no fault of Kashmiri students in it. They were nowhere linked. Instead, they were protesting in different parts of country. They were condemning the incident, but still they faced repercussions in different states, especially in northern states, which include Uttarakhand, UP, which include Himachal Pradesh, which include Punjab, Haryana, even for that matter, Himachal Pradesh and Jammu region as well. So these were the unfortunate incidents that took place from past 3-4 days, wherein Kashmiri students have been, they received threat calls, they faced harassment, they were assaulted, and not only this, they were, threatened to leave the state. There has been basically, video that have been issued by a right-wing group in Uttarakhand. This is called Hindu Raksha Dal. They issued a statement. They threatened Kashmiri students, which created a sense of fear across, not only across the state, but across whole North India states, neighboring states. They said that we are giving the ultimatum to Kashmiri students that they have to leave the state within next 24 hours. They have to vacate the state in 24 hours. If they fail to do so, there would be serious repercussions. As far as Kashmiri students are concerned. Not only this, they gave a written complaints, pasted posters in different colleges and institutions, threatened them to leave the state, to leave the institution, wherever they are enrolled, wherever they are studying. So this whole, there was not only a one video statement. They showed the multiple statements which went viral on social media and amplified on Twitter, Facebook, Instagram, and other social networking sites. There has been the unfortunate post aftermath this. There has been the lot of incidents across North India wherein Kashmiri students received threat calls. They have faced the repercussions of as far as this video is concerned. They were threatened to leave the state. They faced brutal harassment. Some were assaulted, some thrashed. In fact, some 2-3 guys in Chandigarh, they got injured, although the injury was minor. But there has been unfortunate incidents across the India.
Why do you think these incidents came up apart from just this Hindu Rashtra Dal? This Dal, we will talk about them again. But what else added to the factor? Why is it that people started targeting Kashmiris?
It seems that Uttarakhand incident, it was not an isolated or any sort of a normal incident. It seems there has been that campaign style. There has been the orchestrated campaign, operated by these right-wing groups, in order to threat, in order to harass, in order to create a sense of fear among Kashmiri students. Although there has been no fault of Kashmiri students, they have not issued any sort of a advocacy statement. They have not, issued any sort of a inflammatory content which they posted on social media. Instead, they were condemning the incident. Instead, they were expressing the solidarity with the bereaved family who lost 28 lives, who were from the different parts of the country. But despite that, they used these Kashmiri students as a scapegoat, threatened them, harassed them, issued videos, as if we were from other side of the country. We were branded and labeled as terrorists. We were branded, labeled as Ugrwadis, Algamwadis. We are living in a country, we are living in our own country. Why we have been deliberately, on one side, you see Kashmir is an integral part of India, Kashmir is a jugular vein of India. On another side, you guys left no stone unturned to harass, intimidate, threat, these Kashmiri students who have been the part of this country, who have been, pushing, who have been saying that we have been a part of this, country. They are giving us, certificates of nationalism and patriotism. But we want to tell them that our families, they are serving in different borders. They are serving, they are saving, LOC. वो हमारे बॉर्डर को मजबूत कर रहे हैं, चाहे बात उड़ी की हो, मचल की हो, कृष्णा घाटी सेक्टर की हो, जम्मू की हो. हमने तो इसके we have given a blood and sweat for this country. But despite that, our nationality is being checked. Our nationality is, we have been asked, we have been branded as Pakistanis, we have been branded as, Ugrwadis, we have been repeatedly branded as, anti-nationalists. Despite कि हमने जो है we have given a blood and sweat of this country. हम तो जो है circumstances did not make us, Indians. We have been Indians by birth, we have been Indians by conviction. But unfortunately, there has been, if there is an incident, if there is any sort of instability in the country, or for that matter in Kashmir, be it Pulwama, be it Pahalgam, Kashmiri students have become a soft target. अपनी राजनीति उनको चमकानी होती है, उसके लिए उनको जो है कश्मीरी स्टूडेंट्स चाहिए. मार धाड़, मारपीट, जो है तंग तलबी, थ्रेट कॉल, मतलब ये तो एक पूरे देश में जो है इन फ्रिंज एलिमेंट्स ने दे हैव एक ट्रेंड सा बनाया है पूरे देश में. दिस इज वेरी अनफॉर्चुनेट. हम अपने देश में रह रहे हैं, हिंदुस्तान हमारा मुल्क है. बट अनफॉर्चुनेट इंसिडेंट ये है कि हमें अपने मुल्क में जो है पराया समझा जाता है. ऐसा बिल्कुल भी नहीं है. हमारी स्वर्गान खानदान से ताजियत है. बट डज दैट मैटर कि हमने ताजियत की, यहाँ किसी ने इंसिडेंट किया, उसका ब्लेम आप जो है हम पे करेंगे. कश्मीरी आप देखिए कि कितने टूरिस्ट उसको जो है कंधे पे चढ़ के जो है अनंतनाग के रेजिडेंट ने कितने लोगों को बचाया. जो है एक आदमी ने जो अनंतनाग जिसकी जान चली गई, उसने तो जो है इन ब्लडी टेररिस्ट का तो AK-47 छीना. बट डिस्पाइट दीज एफर्ट्स, our nationality is being checked. Our nationality is being, we have been asked as, we have been branded as anti-national, we have been branded as Pakistani. हमें दूर दूर का वास्ता उस देश से नहीं है. हमने तो सड़कों पे आके जो है उस चीज को कंडम किया. बट अनफॉर्चुनेट इंसिडेंट ये है कि हमें बार बार वही एक जो गुज़श्ता कई सालों से चल रहा है, उसी प्रकार का एक माहौल हमें मुल्क में क्रिएट किया जा रहा है. और जिस वजह से जो है हमें ऐसा पराया फील किया जा रहा है. इट इज़ वेरी अनफॉर्चुनेट. हम बहुत जो है दुख है कि हमें अपनी कंट्री में जो है इस प्रकार की सिचुएशन फेस करनी पड़ती है.
True, very true. And the fact that you said that you are always branded as Pakistanis and you are made to prove your nationality, your love for your own nation, you are constantly pushed towards that. What role do you think media plays in it?
ये बड़ा ही एक
The mainstream.
ये बड़ा ही एक अनफॉर्चुनेट इंसिडेंट है कि डिस्पाइट हमारे भाई बहन, माय फैमिली हैज बीन द विक्टिम ऑफ वायलेंस, माय सिस्टर सफर्ड बुलेट्स, स्टिल आई एम बीइंग एक्यूज्ड दैट यू आर अ ब्लडी पाकिस्तानी. हाउ कम? माय होल फैमिली सर्विंग बॉर्डर, मतलब ना LOCs प्रिजर्व, वो हिंदुस्तान की सॉवरेंटी को जो है प्रिजर्व कर रहे हैं, सेव कर रहे हैं. हम बॉर्डर पे जो है हमारे रिलेटिव्स, मेरे कजन ब्रदर, मेरे फर्स्ट कजन्स, मेरी फैमिली जो है उसको कर रही है. बट डिस्पाइट दैट उनका क्या कंट्रीब्यूशन है जो हमें एक्यूज कर रहे हैं कि आप पाकिस्तानी है, जो हमें एक्यूज कर रहे हैं कि आप उग्रवादी है, जो हमें एक्यूज कर रहे हैं कि आप जो है अलगावाद है. मुझे बताइए उन्होंने कितने नौजवान अपनी फैमिली से इस मुल्क के लिए दिए. बट अनफॉर्चुनेट पार्ट यह है कि मीडिया का इस पूरे प्रोसेस में रोल हो जाता है. But instead of instead of asking questions to these fringe elements who have created a reign of terror across the country, as far as our students are concerned or our community is concerned, वो तो हम ही पे क्वेश्चन कर रहे हैं, नहीं जी आपने क्या किया, नहीं जी आप जो है पाकिस्तान का समर्थक कर रहे हैं। अरे भाई हमें तो सर्टिफिकेट नहीं लेनी है ना हिंदुस्तानी होने के लिए आपसे। हम तो जो है पैदाइशी हिंदुस्तानी है, हमें तो परिस्थितियों ने हिंदुस्तानी नहीं बनाया। वेरी एक अनफॉर्चुनेट पार्ट है कि हमें ही क्वेश्चन किया जा रहा है और इस प्रकार की जो है डिबेट्स प्राइम टाइम्स शोज किए जा रहे हैं जिसमें जो है हमें इस पूरे प्रोसेस का दोषी ठहराया जा रहा है। हम बिल्कुल जो है जो इंसिडेंट हुआ है हमने इसकी कड़ी अल्फाज में निंदा की है। हमने कहा कि ये अनफॉर्चुनेट इंसिडेंट है, हमने कहा कि ये हमारी सॉलिडेरिटी हमारी जो है ताजियत सोरगान खानदान से है। बट डिस्पाइट दैट मीडिया ने एक ऐसा परसेप्शन क्रिएट किया जिसमें ऐसा हमारी इमेज क्रिएट की जा रही है, ऐसा हमारा हमको दिखाया जा रहा है एज इफ हम ही जो है मेन एक्यूज्ड है, एज इफ हम ही मेन कल्प्रिट है। तो वेरी एक अनफॉर्चुनेट है। मीडिया जो है डेमोक्रेसी का चौथा सुतून था, बट इस सुतून को इन्होंने इतना गिराया कि कश्मीर तो दूर की बात हिंदुस्तान के लोगों को पर्टिकुलरली जो माइनॉरिटीज को उनको मीडिया मेन स्ट्रीम मीडिया पे जो है भरोसा ही उतर गया।
Understandable. I'll go back to the fringe elements that you were talking about. We have seen the video of the Hindu Rashtra Dal has gone viral. Everyone has seen it. We have also covered it. What do you have to say to them? This is a platform. What do you have to say to Hindu Rashtra Dal who have incited people and threatened the Kashmiri students and to other fringe elements who do the same?
हमारा बेसिकली संदेश और हमारा जो है सजेशन उनको ये है कि अगर आपको देश से इतना ही प्रेम है, हम आपकी टिकट बुक कराते हैं, आप कश्मीर आइए, यहाँ बॉर्डर पे सर्व कीजिए। 2-4 दिन जब आप ठंड में रहेंगे, जब आप बॉर्डर सर्व जो है रहेंगे, जब आपको तकलीफों का जो है सहारा रहना जो है उठानी पड़ेगी, जब आपको जो है थ्रेट शाम को किया जाएगा, जब आपको जो है बॉर्डर स्टेट पे जब आप सियाचिन जैसे ग्लेशियर, जब आप उड़ी मच्छल कृष्णा घाटी सेक्टर या जो गुरेज सेक्टर है या तुलेल सेक्टर है, जब आप इन जैसे स्टेट्स पे 8-10 दिन भारत में रहोगे ना, तब आपको लगेगा कि हिंदुस्तान की सोवरेंटी हिंदुस्तान की बॉर्डर को प्रिजर्व करने के लिए हमें कितनी मुश्किलात उठाने पड़ते हैं। हमें सर्टिफिकेट्स की जरूरत नहीं है। अगर आप वाकई देश से प्रेम करना चाहते हैं, आप हमें अपना एड्रेस दीजिए, हम आपकी टिकट्स बुक करेंगे और उम्मीद करेंगे कि आप हम उन फौजियों के साथ, हम हमारी भाई बहनों के साथ जो हिंदुस्तान की बॉर्डर्स को सेव कर रहे हैं, प्रिजर्व कर रहे हैं, आप आइए और देश को सर्व करिए। फिर हम देखेंगे कि वेदर आप पॉलिटिकल माइलेज ड्रा करना चाहते हैं इस पूरे इंसिडेंट के ऊपर, अपनी राजनीति चमकाना चाहते हैं, या वाकई आपको जो है देश से प्रेम है। बड़ा अनफॉर्चुनेट इंसिडेंट है, ऐसा नहीं होना चाहिए। हम भी इस देश का पार्ट है, हमारी कोई व्यक्तिगत लड़ाई नहीं है उनसे, व्यक्तिगत डिफरेंस नहीं है, हमारे कोई पर्सनल मामलात नहीं है। बट मेरा सीधा सा प्रश्न इन लोगों से है कि हमने आपका क्या बिगाड़ा है। अगर हमने कंडम भी किया है, अगर हमने जो है आपको ताजियत भी की है, प्रोटेस्ट भी किए हैं, डिमॉन्स्ट्रेशन भी किए हैं, एक आवाज में हमने जो है इस स्थिति को, इस पूरे मसले को, इस ट्रेजेडी को जो है दिलदोज वाक़ा करार दिया, जो है हमने जो है प्रोटेस्ट की, डिमॉन्स्ट्रेशन किए, तो मुझे खुदारा बताइए कि इन हालात के, इन इश्यूज के बावजूद, इन स्टेप्स के बावजूद एक जो है मैसेज यहाँ की सोसाइटी ने दी, एक क्लियर मैसेज चला जाएगा कि जो है हम टेररिज्म, हम जो है इस प्रकार की इनह्यूमन एक्टिविटीज, इस प्रकार की जो एक्टिविटीज हैं जिसमें अनआर्मड सिविलियंस को जो है मारा गया है, अनआर्मड सिविलियंस को जो है नहते जो है लोगों को जो है मारा गया, और जो है उनको किस तरह से जो है मजहब के नाम पे पहले उनका मजहब पूछा गया। हम तो इस चीज को तो हमने ना इम्पावर डिफेंड किया, ना हमने इन चीज को इंडोर्स किया है। इंस्टेड हमने जो है हार्शेस्ट वर्ड्स में इसको कंडम किया। बट स्टिल आप हम पे इस प्रकार की एक्टिविटीज जो है, इस प्रकार की बयानबाजी कर रहे हैं एज इफ हम ही दुश्मन है, एज इफ हमने ही सारा कुछ जो है किया कराया हुआ है।
I will wrap up quickly with the last question. On April 25th, you met with the leader of opposition, Rahul Gandhi. You had presented some demands, as you have told me, and he has responded to them. Please tell us about your discussion with him.
Basically, I got an invitation from leader of opposition that he wants to meet people from different walks of life, including those students who have been representing Kashmir students, Jammu Kashmir students across the country. So we met leader of opposition yesterday. We had a detailed 30 minutes interaction with him. We apprised him about the situation that our students have been facing across the country. We provided him the detailed overview and account of the students, where they have been branded as separatists, Ugrwadis, Algawadis, and the reign of terror that has been created by the right-wing elements. We briefed him, we requested him to take these issues with Government of India, with the with the Home Minister, with Prime Minister, and with other authorities. And in response to that, he assured that he will write to Prime Minister Modi in person. He will write to Home Minister Amit Shah in person, and will speak to them, both of them, as far as situation of Kashmiri students across the country is concerned. We urged him to to press the government to create a sort of a mechanism so that these issues do not repeat in near future. We demand a proper mechanism where there should be a grievance cell, there should be a nodal officers in different states, so that these sort of assaults, harassment, intimidation could be resolved.
And did the government support the students in these states where the
Yes,
institutions supported?
they do support, irrespective of party lines, be it BJP, be it Congress, be it Aam Aadmi Party, and be it National Conference or for any other party. 2019 situation post Pulwama backlash, there was a lack of mechanism, but situation got only de-escalated when there has been a proper mechanism with the respective governments. There was a proper response from the government, especially in Uttarakhand where BJP is ruling, especially in Haryana where BJP is ruling, especially in Aam Aadmi Party, in Punjab where Aam Aadmi Party is ruling, especially in Himachal where Congress is ruling. So there was a proper mechanism, proper response, and I'm जिस प्रकार से मुझे response लगा, और मुझे लगता है कि with these efforts the situation got de-escalated and the situation could not turn from bad to worse.
Okay. We are glad to hear that. We hope that the students remain safe, they go back home safely, and we hope that Kashmiris do not have to keep on proving their national pride, their love for the country. Thank you so much for being with us, Nasir.